Press the emergency stop button. Remove the rear panel cover. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to turn off Yarbo or turn off Yarbo through the Yarbo app. Remove the battery compartment cover. Disconnect and remove the battery. Remove these 6 screws. Remove the RTK antenna mounting screws. Disconnect the RTK antenna and cables. Lift the Yarbo shell. Unscrew the cables connected to the motherboard. Remove the 3 screws below the 3-in-1 module. Separate the 3-in-1 module and remove the cables that need to be replaced. Thread the new cable through the middle of the 3-in-1 module. Connect the new cable to the motherboard and tighten it. Tighten the 3 screws of the 3-in-1 module. Secure the cables with a cable tie. Reinstall the Yarbo shell into the correct position. Connect the new cable to the RTK antenna. Install the RTK antenna. Reinstall and tighten the 6 screws of the Yarbo shell. Place the battery back into the compartment and reconnect it. Install the battery cover.